Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMB Rudraksh Science Classes. Today I will discuss with you HP TET Medical June 2020 Teacher Eligibility Test. So this paper contains the 150 questions and each question carry 1 marks. Attempts all the question, there will be no negative marking, and time duration for this test is 2.5 hours. Today we will discuss the only biology portion, and this paper contain the 30 questions of botany, 30 questions of zoology and 30 questions of chemistry. The total is 90, and 30 questions for child psychology and development and teaching processes, and 30 questions for India GK, current affairs and HP GK. So its total marks is 150. Now I am discussing with you botany and zoology portion. So question number 61. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection after the birth of baby? So given option: progesterone, prolactin, oxytocin and estrogen. So its correct option is oxytocin. Question number 62. Oral contraceptives prevent pregnancy by. Options are: killing the ovum, blocking fertilization, preventing ovulation, preventing implantation. So its correct option is preventing ovulation. Question number 63. The cell mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, thrombocytes, erythrocytes. So its correct option is A, T lymphocytes. Question number 64. VAM contains. So VAM means vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. So mycorrhiza, we know that is a symbiotic association of the higher roots and fungi. So it means it's related to the fungus. So options are: symbiotic bacteria, saprophytic bacteria, symbiotic fungi or saprophytic fungi. So its correct option is C, symbiotic fungi. Question number 65. Crocodile and bird association is an example of. Crocodile and bird association is symbiosis? No, because symbiosis both are living together. Predation? No. Predation means the predator and prey killing. And parasitism? No. And the option number D is proto-cooperation. So its correct option is proto-cooperation, because birds are enter into the mouth of the crocodiles and it eats his parasitic leech. Question number 66. The green leaves of the plant absorb which of the following in the visible spectrum? So in the visible spectrum, we know that the visible spectrum different colors from violet to red, and option number A, only green light, option number B, blue and red light, option number C, yellow and blue light, and option number D, whole visible spectrum. So its correct option is option number B, blue and red light. Now question number 67. For how many years the yeast Saccharomyces can be in a dry state? The yeast means a unicellular fungi can be in a dry state for how many years? So its options are 5 years, 2 years, 1.5 years or 4 years. Its correct option is 5 years. Now question number 68. Name the hormone that control the metamorphosis in frog. Options: option number A, adrenaline, option number B, insulin, Option number C, thyroxine. Option number D, growth hormone. So its correct option is thyroxine is released by the thyroid gland, and very important element, that is iodine, is helpful for the action of thyroxine. Then question number 69, which of the following is a bird flu virus which is also known as avian flu virus? Because we know that apes word is used for the birds, that's why bird flu virus is also called as the avian flu virus. And its options are H5N1, H1N5, H1N1 and H1N1H5. So its correct option is option number A, H5N1. Now question number 70 question number is, Murrah is breed of which of the following? So Murrah options are, first one A, cow, B, buffalo, C, goat, D, sheep. So its correct option is buffalo is the Murrah, and its scientific name is Bubellus buballis, and it is found in the state of India in Haryana. Question number 71, by weight what is percentage of blood in human body? Options are, option number A 10%, B 17%, C 7%, D 16%. So its correct option is 7%. Now question number 72, which organ is known as graveyard of RBCs? Which organ is known as graveyard of RBCs? Liver, stomach, thymus, spleen. So its correct option is spleen. Why the spleen is called the graveyard of RBCs? Because spleen filter the blood and remove the old and damaged RBCs from the blood. Now question number 73, which organ of the human body is metabolically most active organ? Options are liver, small intestine, kidney, heart. So once the nutrients are absorbed, so first active organ, that is liver, which metabolize the nutrients and then store and send to the other parts of the body. So its correct option is A, liver. Now the question number 74, approximately how many nephrons are present in human body? So we know that in a human body, in one kidney there is about 1 million of nephron is present, means 10 lakh nephron is present in one kidney. But here the question is so confusing, that the approximately how many nephrons are present in human body, not in a one kidney. So it means human body, we know that in our body having two pair of kidneys, so pair of kidney means the number of nephron is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 lakh. So their options are given 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 20 lakh or 15 lakh. So its correct option is option number C, 20 lakh. Now my next question, that is the question number 75 of the question paper. The virus for Japanese fever affect which organ of body? So the virus for Japanese fever affect which organ of the body? So this Japanese fever is also known as the Japanese encephalitis. So options are brain, liver, stomach and eyes. The encephalitis, the word is term related to the encephalology. So encephalology is the study of the structure and function of the brain. So this Japanese fever is affect the brain of the body. So its correct option is option number A. Now our next question, question number 76, what is a pinus? So we know that pinus is a tree which is mainly found in the mountain areas. So its correct option is first option, that is the tree. Now option number 77, the damaged ozone layer is situated in. So ozone layer is situated in which layer? Options are ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. So its correct option is stratosphere. Now the question number 78, the term ecosystem was introduced by Odom, A.G. Tansley, Stanley and Maheshwari. So its correct option is option number B, A.G. Tansley in 1935. Now my next question, question number 79, the plants absorb nitrogen in which form? The plants absorb nitrogen in which form? So options are given: nitrate, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen phosphate and all of the above. So we know that nitrogen trioxide and nitrogen phosphates are the wrong options. So its correct option is nitrate. Now question number 80, one of the following is correct match for disease and their causative agent. So first is AIDS bacillus. So we know that AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome and is caused by the virus, not by the bacteria, because bacillus is not like bacteria. And second option is malaria. So malaria is caused by protozoa plasmodium, not caused by the trypanosoma. And third option is typhoid, that is salmonella, and salmonella is full name of bacteria Salmonella typhi. So and the next option is gonorrhea and gonorrhea virus, not. So its correct option is option number C, typhoid is caused by the Salmonella typhi. Now the question number 81, if a man from the sea coast goes to high mountain peak, then his breathing will increase, breathing will decrease, breathing will remain constant, breathing will stop. So its option is not correct. Stop तो हो नहीं सकती breathing. And breathing will remain constant, not correct. Breathing will decrease, no. Breathing will increase. Option number A is correct, because partial pressure of the oxygen inside the alveolar is false. So that's why the breathing rate is increased. Now the question number 82, that is translocation of carbohydrates occurs as in which form? Glucose, we know that photosynthesis by the process is formed the glucose, but it is not translocate. Maltose is not correct option, galactose is not correct option, sucrose is the correct option, translocation of carbohydrates. Question number 83, during muscle contraction, length of a band. So we know that when muscles contract, then closer the Z lines, and during that process I band is shortened, H zone is shortened, but A bands not change, unchanged during the muscle contractions. So that's why its correct option is option number C, remains unchanged. Now the option question number 84, which pairs are the floating ribs in human body? So we know that first हमारी ribs जो है वो complete होती हैं, and last pair too, that is the pair 11th and the 12th pair, this is called as the floating ribs. Now the question number 85, prenatal defects in the fetus can be defected by. Prenatal defects. So prenatal defects means fetus in the during the pregnancy, defect can be detected by, defects can be detected by MRI, no. Genetic engineering, no. Laparoscopy, no. So its correct option is amniocentesis, because during this test, fluid is removed, amniotic fluid is removed from the uterus for the test. Now the question number 86, pebrine is a disease of. Pebrine is a disease of which is also called as pepper, that is occurs in the cattle, silkworm, hen, and option number D is fish. It is occurs in the silkworm. Now the question number 87, photochemical smog does not contain. The photochemical smog means fog and smog का combination, that is called as the smog, that is contain ozone, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, but it does not contain peroxyacetyl nitrate. So its correct option is PAN. Now the question number 88, the function of control of rate of heartbeat is controlled by which part of brain? Cerebrum, pons varolii, medulla oblongata, hypothalamus. So its correct option is C, medulla oblongata is the part of the hindbrain, and it is also a part of the brain stem. Now the question number 89, an area of the retina which does not have rods and cones are. So we know that the area where there is no rods and cones, that is the area where the optic nerve is arise from the eye, that area is called as the blind spot, and there is no image is formed. So its correct option is C, blind spot. Now my last question of this video, the question number 90, pomology is the study of. So pomology is the study of fruit, flowers, roots and leaves. So its correct option is option number A, fruits. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will discuss my next 30 questions related to the biology in my next video. Thank you.